In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to CC and BCC in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly when to use each field and how to reveal them in the Compose window so you can email with confidence and clarity. First, open Outlook. From the main window, start a new message. This takes you into the email composition window where you'll write your subject and body, and choose who receives the message. Next, look toward the top of the Compose window and switch to the Options tab. This tab gives you controls for how your message behaves. Within Options, find the section labeled Show Fields. This is where you decide whether the CC and BCC lines are visible in your message. Click CC to show the carbon copy field or click BCC to show the blind carbon copy field. You can turn on one or both, depending on what you need. You are not sending the email by doing this. You are simply telling Outlook to display these lines so you can add people appropriately. Now add recipients. In the To line, type the primary recipient's email address. In the CC line, add anyone who should be kept in the loop. In the BCC line, add people who should receive the message without their addresses being visible to others. If you are adding multiple recipients in a field, separate each address with a comma or semicolon depending on your Outlook settings. Take a moment to double-check spelling and domains to avoid bounce backs. Here's how to think about visibility. Use CC for transparency. Everyone on the To and CC lines can see who else received the message. This is helpful for keeping stakeholders informed and showing clearly who is included in the conversation. However, only address people in CC who truly need visibility. Extra recipients can create noise. Use BCC to protect privacy. Addresses in the BCC field are hidden from all other recipients. This is ideal when you are emailing a group that doesn't know each other. When you want to avoid exposing personal email addresses or when you are preventing long reply all chains. Keep in mind that if someone on BCC replies, their message will reveal their identity. But their original address remains hidden in the original distribution. That's it. Thanks for watching.